These are actual leaked photos of the DJI Mavic 3. Let's jump into it. But before we do, I want to tell you guys real quick about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that'll help you grow your YouTube channel. It's what I've been using to grow this YouTube channel. So if you're interested to find out more information, and if you want to try it for free, definitely check out my link in the description below. It is currently almost midnight here in Arizona, but I just stumbled across some amazing photos of the DJI Mavic 3. These are real photos of the drone, and I'm about to show you guys right now. Right now we're on Drone DJ's website, where the first photo is leaked, as you can see here in the article. But also on Facebook, I actually found some better photos than the one photo that Drone DJ leaked. I saw this on one of the DJI groups on Facebook. But check out these photos that are on the screen right now. I'm looking at them on my phone. This is crazy. We're actually seeing the Mavic 3, and we're seeing the dual camera design. It looks like everything that we've seen in the drawings, including the H in the corner, which obviously means that it's probably a Hasselblad camera, which is awesome. We also see the obstacle avoidance sensors on the front that are at an angle, which is very interesting. And the top shell of the drone looks exactly like the earlier leaks that I showed here on the channel. This is pretty much looking exactly like the drone that we've been seeing for a little while now, at least the parts for, and different things leading up to this actual leak. And like I've said in the past, guys, once we start seeing the photos of the drone, it means it's right around the corner. But I really think that November 15th date that we heard in the last couple leaks is true. I think that we are going to see the drone on November 15th. And the earlier predictions of us not seeing the drone until early next year, which I said January or February of 2022, I think that's definitely out of the picture, and we're definitely getting the drone this year. So that is awesome news. But yeah, guys, I'm really excited. I definitely read some of the comments from my last video, and I know that some people think that DJI is under-delivering here. But I still think that this is going to be an incredible drone and a much needed upgrade. Even though it looks like we're not getting the interchangeable lenses, I'm really impressed with the Hasselblad camera on the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. So I'm sure that this new Hasselblad camera on the Mavic 3 is going to be just as good or even better. And I would say probably even better. Obviously, we're going to get better specs and whatnot. So don't be too disappointed. It's not that Inspire replacement that we thought it was going to be, but judging these pictures, it looks like it's going to be a pretty significant upgrade. So don't judge the book by its cover. Let's wait for the announcement to happen. I definitely think this drone is going to be well worth it. But that is all for this leak. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and also make sure to give the video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys.